children, how are you all? Welcome to science class. So I have said some of the lesson we will be completing today. Our lesson. What is our lesson? Our lesson is nothing but components. Now come on, take out page number 5. Let us do find to know the use of water. For what the water is used, take a piece of sponge and try to move it in the pipe. You can see in the figure 9. You can see the picture. You can imagine. What they are telling, you have to take a piece of sponge and try to move it in the pipe. It moves with some difficulty. Yes or no? It moves with some difficulty because the surface of the sponge will be rough. Now what they are telling, remove the sponge from the pipe and dip it in the water and try one more time. When it is dipped in water, it becomes somewhat soft and it will go inside very easily. So what we can learn from this, water helps to digest the food in our body. They are telling. So in the same way, if you drink water before half an hour and after half an hour of eating, the digestion of the food in your body will be very clear. Water helps in many other processes in our body as well. We must drink plenty of water. Okay, na? What we have learned from this lesson, you have to drink plenty of water. Then balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is nothing but eating correct amount of food in a day. Like example, eating so much of food such that your tummy becomes very fat. It's not the thing. Balanced diet is nothing but taking correct amount of nutrients. Nutrients means what, Nana? Nutrients are nothing but food components. Food components are what? Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water, roughages. These all know. So taking good amount of all these food components is called as balanced diet. Eating more water it is not balanced diet. Okay. Let us do 6. The chart is given on breakfast, lunch and dinner. Every day for 5 days or 1 week, what you have eaten, you have to complete that one. Okay. List the food items eaten by you yesterday from breakfast to dinner. Does it contain all your diet, necessary components of food? Think and ask your friends. Okay. Then let us do 7. Look at the food thali with many food items and list out the food items and components in it. We are having figure number 10. The children who have not purchased books, please purchase because everything is in the book only. The imagination will be very clear for you. So there they have given some thali. In that we are having some rice, curry, onions, chilies, tomatoes, bananas, curd, dal, everything is present. So what they are telling here, they have given some thali. You have to complete the given table. This table you should complete. What is this table? Here we are having some, what do you say, some food items I said, no beta? Here you should write food item, rice. It is containing starch, food item. Food component, puri, fats, because it is having oil. Banana, iron. Tomato, vitamins. Curd, proteins. Okay? Next. You need not eat all the items shown in the thali. Rather, you should ensure your food contains all the food items every day in adequate quantity. For example, a diet containing food items having more of carbohydrates and protein along with little fats and vitamins and minerals makes a balanced diet. Like example, carbohydrates and proteins in heavily you can eat, but vitamins, minerals and water in less amount, that becomes a balanced diet. Like example, you can balance here. If you are eating more vitamins, minerals and roughages, you should eat less carbohydrates and proteins. If you are eating more carbohydrates and proteins, you should make this less quantity. So like this you have to balance your food, they are telling. Okay, make your diet as a balanced one. Taking a green salad and vegetables every day. Taking foods like cereals, pulses, milk, etc. adequately. Taking a bit of fat. Don't forget to supplement your daily diet with green salads and vegetables. They are telling every day we have to eat green salads. Green salad means what, painting? No, like a green colored vegetables like cabbage, spinach, green chilies. This all comes under green salad. Cucumber. This all comes under green salad. Cereals means what? Rice, wheat, jowar, bajra will be there. No, chapatis you'll be eating. No, that you have to eat one time. And pulses you have to eat one time. You have to take less quantity of fat. That is oil, ghee, butter, everything. You should take less, it seems. Okay, na? Do you know dry fruits like dates, plums, raisins, cashew nuts, pistachios also keeps us healthy. In the morning or night, what you have to do? You have to eat 1 or 2 Almonds which are soaked in water, so that gives energy to you. That are called as dry fruits. Okay. Balanced diet is cheap indeed. Scientists have found that out of the balanced diet need not necessary to be costly. Is balanced diet costly? No. Everyone can afford it. Even a poor also can afford it. It seems. If a person eats dal, rice, rotis, green vegetables, little oil and jaggery, all food requirements of the body are fulfilled. Like example, if you're poor also, if you're not having money to purchase also, what they're telling, little amount of rice, rotis, green vegetables, oil and jaggery. Jaggery means what, Nana? Bellam, no? So if you eat that quantity, small quantity in total day, that is called as balanced diet. Just balancing your diet with different kinds of food is not enough. It should be cooked in the proper way. It should be not overcooked, not less cooked. It should be cooked in such a way that you will be balanced, they are telling. Okay. You know many nutrients are lost by overcooking or reheating many times, washing the vegetables after cutting them into small pieces. Can you cut lady's finger after cutting? No, you can't cut. You should wash it before cutting only. So some types of vegetables are there which should not be overcooked or reheated. Like example, if the rice is remained, your mother will be overheating it and you will be giving for you. It is not good. The proteins or whatever carbohydrates present in the rice will die itself. So, what is the use of eating them? So, it should not be overcooked. It should not be reheated. It should not be overwashed also. Okay. Think, is your midday meal a balanced one? Midday meal means what? Lunch. Okay, na? Write your observation and display them in the bulletin board. Bulletin board is nothing but your board. Do you know which foods are to be eaten moderately, adequately, plenty and sparingly? Foods like cereals, pulses, milk, etc. can be taken adequately. So much in so many quantities. Cereals, pulses. So what they are telling, we can eat cereals, pulses, milk, etc. in more quantities. Fruits like leafy vegetables and other vegetables should be used plenty. Vegetables like leafy vegetables, no, you should eat plenty. Since cooking oil and animals food should be eaten moderately. Moderate means in not more, not less. Vanaspati ghee, butter, cheese must be used sparingly. This butter, ghee and all is there on the oil. You should eat very less because the fat will be more. If you are having fat in your body, you will be having different types of diseases and you may also die. So you should always avoid ghee-like thing or butter or vanaspati also. Avoid junk food. Junk foods means what? The things which are not eaten. Junk foods means what, Nana? Which you find in the streets. Okay, na? Like what? Pizza, sandwiches, burgers. Like what will happen if you eat more this one? This will be having some stomach problems. Stomach ache will be coming for you. Always see what they are telling. Your body is being deprived of other food substances. Junk food causes damage to your digestive system. It damages your digestive system and you have to better if you are avoiding junk food. Discuss in groups, and as you are not there, you can't discuss in groups. Okay. Food habits of people depend upon climatic conditions and cultural practices of a particular place. We eat rice in large quantities, but the people living in the north eat chapatis as a daily food. Why? Because wheat is grown widely in that region. The way of cooking and eating food also reflects the cultural practices of people. What they're telling? If you are coming to Telangana, we'll eat more rice because rice is grown here. If you go to the northern side of India, they will be eating more chapatis because the climate itself is suitable for growing wheat there. Our climate of Telangana is suitable for growing rice, no? In the same way, in the northern part, their climate and their soil is suitable for growing more wheat. So they will be what they will do? They will grow more wheat there. Okay, now I will read the total paragraph and I will explain you. History of food and nutrition. Until about 170 years ago, there was a little scientific knowledge in the West about nutrition. The founder of modern science of nutrition is French man named Lavoisier, whose contribution paved new ways to nutrition research. Who has researched all these carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals? Nana. He is the Frenchman. He belonged to France. His name is Lavoisier. What is his name? Lavoisier, and contributed to the nutrition research. In the year 1752, James Lind discovered scurvy, which could be cured or prevented by eating fresh fruits and vegetables. Scurvy is type of disease If you type in the Google, they will show it. As you are not here, I can't show. If you were here, I used to show in the computer itself. Okay, na? So what they are telling, by eating more vegetables and more fresh fruits, this scurvy can be cured, it seems. Who had done this? Lavoisier has told in 1752. Then in 1952, it was known that diseases can be cured by eating certain kinds of food. In 19th century, it was known that body obtains three substances, namely proteins, fats and carbohydrates. Okay, now proteins, fats and carbohydrates are the main thing required for our human body, it seems. So by this we have completed our lesson. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me and you can clarify with me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.